For Cricut maintenance tips. Tip 1. Clean your machine for optimal performance. Step 1. First, make sure that your Cricut machine is powered off. Step 2. Open up the clamps and remove the blade. Step 3. Grab canned air and spray short bursts of air from a distance in every nook and corner of the machine. Step 4. Clean the tray caddy and clamps. Step 5. Next, grab baby wipes and wipe off every part of the surface. Step 6. If there are scuff marks on the outer surface, grab a paper towel spray cleaner and wipe them off. Step 7. Move the star wheels to the side, grab a brush and clean under the roller bar. Step 8. Move the housing and clean the other side of the rod, then slide the housing back into position. Step 9. Make sure to get every inch of the rod. Step 10. Go back in with the baby wipe and clean up all the dust. Step 11. Open up the clamps and clean them with a soft round brush or baby wipes. Step 12. Open the tray and wipe inside, then let the machine dry. Step 13. Once everything dries, grab a microfiber cloth and wipe everything down. Step 14. Go back in with the canned air and dust out inside again. Step 15. Close up the machine and clean the outside and the back of the machine as well. Tip 2. Update the software firmware. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, click on the 3 lines next to Home. Step 2. Scroll down and select Update Firmware. Step 3. It'll start checking for updates. Step 4. If there's an update available, it'll appear on the screen. Click Update. Step 5. It'll start updating. Step 6. Once the machine has been updated successfully, click Continue. Tip 3. Delete old projects. Step 1. Open Cricut Design Space and click View All next to My Projects. Step 2. If you have a lot of projects, scroll through and locate the projects you do not need anymore. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots at the bottom right side of the project and click Delete Project. Step 4. Click Yes to confirm the action. Step 5. Go ahead and delete the other projects you do not need anymore. Tip 4. Clean your mat. Step 1. Get baby wipes and start cleaning the mat from one corner. Step 2. Wipe gently to avoid removing the adhesive. Step 3. Go gently and slowly from one side to the other. Step 4. The cutting mat may feel less sticky, but as soon as it dries it will become sticky. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.